In this video, I'm going to review translations with you, and we're going to find the coordinates of the vertices after a translation. So I'm going to show you the tricks, and I'm going to have a table for you at the end that you could use for other problems like this that you get in the future. So if we have a problem like this one that says, find and graph the coordinates of the vertices after a translation 2 units up. And here's our figure, okay? So a translation slides a figure to a different location. So we're just going to be sliding this figure. So let's label the x and y coordinates for triangle ABC. We could see A here has coordinates of -6, 4, okay? The x is -6, the y is 4. Now for B, it's x is 2, y is 2. And then C, it's -4, -4. Okay, the next thing to do is to understand what the translation tricks are. Okay, so when you're told up, which is what we're told here, then we add to y. Okay, we add to y the units that it tells us to move up. So we use the translation tricks below to find the new vertices. So all we have to do is add 2 to the y. So A becomes -6, 6 because we added 2 to 4. We add 2 to 2 here, so now B becomes 2, 4. And for C, we add 2 to -4, so it becomes -2. Now all that's left to do is to draw the figure. So just a summary here, 2 units up means add 2 to the y coordinate, which is what we've done. And here's our new figure. We just plotted these new points that have translated the original figure up. Okay, and that's all there is to this problem. Don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. And in the ebook, there's a link right to this video. And you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, there's links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this in the description. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.